Hello everyone, Ashwini here. So now we will discuss to write a C program to implement tree traversal. Okay, so first of all we discuss binary tree. What is a binary tree? A binary tree is a data structure where every node has at most two children. We call the topmost node as the root node. Since it could have two children, we uh, could move across the binary tree in different ways. Here we will discuss the three most commonly used methods for traversal links. So first of pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal. Okay, so we see the step by step are discussed by binary tree pre-order traversal. In pre-order traversal, the node are traversed according the following of the sequence from any given node. So first, it will mark the current node as visited first. Then, if a left child exit, it will go to the left subtree and continue the same process. After we are visiting the left subtree, it will then move to its right subtree and continue the same process. Since the sequence is node is a left and right, it is a referred to as a pre-order traversal since the node is visited before the left subtree. Then next, in-order traversal. In a in-order traversal, the node are traversed according to the following sequence from any given node. So first, if one left child exists, it will always go to it first. After it visits the left subtree, it will visit the currently given node. After visiting the node, it will then move the it right subtree. Okay, as the sequence is left less than node less than right. Okay, it will refer to it as an in order traversal since we will visit the node in order from left to right. Okay, then next last post order traversal. In a post order traversal, the node are traversed according to the following sequence from any given node. So first, if a left child exit, it will always go to it first. Then after visiting the left subtree, it will then move to its right subtree. After will visiting the right subtree, it will finally visit the currently given node. Since the sequence is left less than right less than then next node. Okay, it is referred to as a post order traversal since the node are visited at the last. So now we see the discuss this program. This program define the types of traversal here. Method traversal pre-order, in-order and post-order. Okay. Then next stuff node. Define the tree node and define the tree node here. Okay. Then next node int t tree is a point. This is a node. Node is a pointer to the left and right children. Okay. This is the declare the point to the left and right children. Then next in this create the tree and return the root node. Okay, in this declare the create the tree and return the node. Okay, then next we see create a new node. This is a in this program create a new node. Okay, then next there deallocated memory corresponding to every node in the tree. Okay, in this deallocated memory corresponding to every node in the tree. Next, print the tree according to various types of traversal. Print this we use the tree traversal node root. The print the tree according to various types of traversal. The pre-order, in order, pre-order, in order, and post order. Okay. Then program to demonstrate finding the height of a binary tree. The height of binary tree. This is a 10, create a node at 20, function and 30. Create the root node having a value of 10. And then next insert node onto the tree. Insert node onto the tree. Then next free the tree. Yeah, in this is the free the tree. This is a insert node onto tree. First pre-order, in order, and this is a post order. Okay, the print pre-order, in order root, and then next post order root. Okay, this is a program of tree traversal. Okay.